Good day, viewers. My name is Carla Stevens, a teacher candidate of the Surapoto College of Education. Today, it's my privilege to enlighten you on two types of weather instruments. These are the rain gauge and the wind vane. But before I enlighten you on the weather instrument, I will first tell you what is weather and what is weather instruments. Here we go. What is weather? This is the state of the atmosphere over a period of time with respect to heat or cold, wetness or dryness, calm or storm, and clearness or cloudiness. What are weather instruments? Weather instruments are tools and pieces of equipment that are used to measure the weather and track data from weather patterns over time. Uses of a wind vane. A wind vane is used for measuring the direction of the wind. It is used to predict the intensity of storms. It is used in disaster management to protect people from strong winds. It helps to predict the weather reports. Uses of a rain gauge. Rain gauges are weather instruments used to measure precipitation over a period of time in a given area. It helps to predict the weather reports. How to make the wind vane. Firstly, I paste the cup in the center of the cardboard. Then I write the cardinal's direction on the cardboard. After which I insert the pencil into the center of the cup. Then attach the tail fin and arrow to the straw. Then with the aid of a pin, I attached the straw to the pencil. After that, my wind vane was completed. How to make the rain gauge? First, I cut off the top section of the bottle. Then I went on to make the ruler for the cylindrical cup, and I number it from 0 to 13. After making the ruler, I attach it to the cylindrical cup. Then I place sand in the cylindrical cup, and that is to give it weight. After which I invert the top of the bottle into the rain gauge to act as the funnel. After that, my rain gauge was complete. Rain gauge are some of the most basic yet necessary tools used to measure weather today. The rain gauge is used to measure climate, weather patterns, and monitor hazards such as floods and droughts. The rain gauge works by capturing and collecting rainwater into the funnel. The funnel then empties the rainwater into the cylindrical cup below. This model can be used to deliver the concept of weather to my students, because when the students get to observe how the rain gauge works, they will get a better understanding of the concept of rain gauge. They will also get to measure the rainwater from the cylindrical cup. A wind vane is a device that measures the direction of the flow of wind. It is also called weather vane. A wind vane is one of the oldest instruments used to predict the weather. It can determine if a storm is coming towards you or moving away, which will give you extra time to ensure your safety. This model will help students to better understand the concept of weather when they observe how it works and they get an experience of it. They will also have a better understanding of wind direction. They will also learn that the wind vane always points in direction, or always points in the direction where the wind is coming from. For example, if the wind is flowing from north, the wind vane will point to the north. A practical use of the wind vane and the rain gauge are to take my learners outdoor for them to explore nature and also to observe how these instruments works. First, I will have them put the wind vane on a flat surface. So as the wind blows, they will see how the arrows are moving in the direction of where the wind is coming from. After which I will let them record whether it's coming from north, south, west, or east. Then for the rain gauge, if the rain is not falling at the set time, I would use a bottle of water to represent the rain. I would bore holes at the top of the bottle and then turn it over to the funnel and spray the water into the funnel. So as the water enters the funnel, it will then pass down to the cylindrical cup. And as the water passes down, they will get to observe, well, how the rain works, how the rain gauge works, And after that, I will let them record the amount of rainfall in the rain gauge. Then I will have a small discussion with them and ask questions to ensure that they understand what have taken place. This has brought me to the end of my video presentation.